Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can get an access token in Smartsheet. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and open app.smartsheet.com and then log in to your Smartsheet account. Once inside the main dashboard, you're going to set your focus on the left panel, and on the bottom of it, click on your account right here. And then, a drop-down menu will appear, and from the options, go to Apps and Integrations. On the next window, you're going to click on API Access right here, as you can see. And then, we're going to click on Generate New Access Token. A pop-up window will appear that would ask us to upgrade our Smartsheet. So click here. Smartsheet would then ask us to choose from 3 plans, either Pro, Business, or even Enterprise. So, select one and fill in your card details to purchase one of these plans. And then, go back to your account and then generate a new access token which can then now be used for you to automate your workflows. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!